Hello, it's been a long time.
Hi.
So we're gonna do an unboxing of Jungle Cruise, which the movie's been delayed, as you know, because of the
Coronavirus.
lockdown.
Yeah.
And so if you notice behind us, we have a goal for 1,000 subs. Julie has been telling me every morning she's been waking up. She's saying, I can't wait to play Squad Leader. So that's what, Julie, I'll start with the basic Squad Leader first. So
I think they know you're full of baloney.
Well, anyways, please like and subscribe. And
Please do.
Julie will play Squad Leader, and she's looking forward to it. All right, so just like other games that go to Target, like Jaws and Horrified, I need my 1980s tool. So here we go. Now, this is the only thing I don't like about these games. I mean, it did come fine without it damaged. And I could take off these stickers, but sometimes it leaves residue after you take the stickers off.
Well, at least you know no one meddled with it.
That's true. But anyways, this is how Ravensburgers packs their games that go to Target.
Okay.
All right, so
Here we go.
Oh, and let me go to the other camera. It's been a while since we've done this.
Did you guys miss us?
And the reason why it's been a while, because for the last 7 months, I've finally finished my dissertation, which I will talk about. I'll be defending it in a couple weeks.
Yay.
All right, so here is the map board.
Oh, okay.
That's a really cool letter, I'm sure. Here's the rule book. So let's take a look at that in a moment. I'm just going to show all the pieces.
Oh, all right.
Shrink wrapped counters. We'll see how thick they are.
Okay. What else do we
Dice.
get? Ooh, I love dice. Pretty
Plastic
colored boats.
pieces. And then boats.
Oh, each player gets their own boat?
Yes.
Nice.
And cards.
Okay.
All right, so,
What are we going to do first?
well, Julie, you want to open the cards first?
Sure. Whatever you want me to do.
Why don't you open this up first while I show the rule book, okay?
Okay, all right.
So usually you start with the rule book, right? So here we go.
I should have you razor blade this open.
Well, you keep on trying here. Okay, so
Got it.
looks laid out pretty well. You probably could download the rule book if you want to look at it more, but I just wanted to go through it. Not too many rules. All right, cool. Let's take a look at the map board. Julie's having fun getting the
Oh, yeah. Having a great time.
pieces out here. So,
This is not very much fun.
all right, so here we go. Here's the map board. And you have your start location, and you're going to go through like this. I guess there's a longer route here, probably because you can get something. And that happens a few times. Because this is where you're supposed to manage your boats.
You're going to have to do it.
Okay,
right?
all right.
My hands just are not cooperating right now.
That's okay.
I know.
So let me open this up for Julie. Well, I'm using the razor blade too. I'll cut it towards me so I can hurt myself.
No.
There you go.
Please don't.
Now we got it open.
Thank you, hon.
All right, so back to the game board. So from what I understand of the game is that you're going to have different boats, each player, and you're going to be positioning your passengers and cargo on the boats, and you're supposed to get from the start to the finish with the most cargo and passengers. So notice you have starboard, port, center, and stern. So I think there's going to be cards that are going to come up that will mess you up, that you'll lose things in different parts of the boat. All right, so Julie, let's go
Finally
to your camera.
did it. Woo!
So go ahead and show it on your camera.
All right, guys.
So that's the back side.
That's the back. Here's the
Once you
front.
put it
So
down like that.
we have bananas, like fruit and veggies and people, even yucky snakes. No offense to the snake lovers out there. These must be places maybe we go. And some coins. And this one, same thing, lost and found.
Wait, you're not showing it enough in the camera. Just put it down like that.
Now this is more fruit, veggies, almost looks like treasures here. And then found passenger, warning flare. And last
Maybe
but
that's
not least,
probably to knock away the hippopotamuses, I bet.
maybe.
Just like in the ride. I'm guessing. I
And
haven't even
then
watched the
here's the
playthrough.
back side.
Wait,
Whoops.
just real quick. There's different backs. You got,
They have Nile, Nelly, Volta Val, San Kuru Sadie.
yeah, I wonder what that is. Turn it
Do we
over.
have it? Oh, I was seeing if we had it over that way. And then it's just people.
Interesting.
So, yeah.
And they're not duplicate people. Oh, yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are.
I wonder if you can find them in different places.
That could be.
So try to keep it serious for you. All right, so anyway, let's take a look at the cards.
Okay.
All right, so here we have, well, are they all the same backs? No, they're not.
No.
So this looks
Ooh,
like
those look like.
rescue, trader. Okay, so maybe we have different roles. I'm only guessing.
Or maybe those are things we're supposed to get, like secrets or
No,
something.
it's specialties. Yeah, I think it's
Oh,
characters
okay.
you can play.
Oh, all right.
Oops, I went too fast. Grabbed it. Expedition.
Okay.
Every time I see, the skipper, I think of Gilligan's Island.
I know. I was thinking that too. And then I
Okay.
started thinking Skippy peanut butter. I guess because I'm hungry.
All right, so, okay, do you get victory points for seeing different things? You can see a lot of ducks. Uh-oh, jungle mist.
Mist. That's not good. Carnivorous.
Carnivorous vines. Gentle stream, that's probably
We
a
got
good card.
coronavirus on our brain, our brains.
Backside of water. See,
I
they had to
remember
have
that.
that joke. And
Yep.
look, see, this is like what I thought.
Oh.
You can take damage on that part of the boat, so you might have to lose something.
Oh gosh.
Again, I haven't read the rules yet. We're just going, again, it's just an unboxing.
I like the backside of water. Schweitzer
Falls.
Falls.
Toucans.
Oh,
Now, how would they cause damage to your
I
boat?
have no idea. Butterflies,
Butterflies.
how could those hurt you?
I don't know.
Unless they're killer butterflies, I guess.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
Maybe it's because you draw the card for damage, but then you see different things here. Maybe the cards serve two purposes.
Maybe. We'll find out when we read the rules.
Yeah, bathing elephant.
Aw, I
that's cute.
remember him. He's cute.
Crash landing.
Landing.
So there's duplicates. The card stock
What do you think?
is thin.
Yeah.
It works, but again, they're trying to keep the price point low.
Right. And you said this is sold at Target?
Well, Amazon, Target. It's meant to be in sold in not just gaming stores and
Gotcha.
and regular stores too.
Well, that's good because a lot of people go to
King
Disneyland
Cobra.
and Disney
See, now it
World.
has two dangers. I'm sorry, I interrupted you.
Oh,
What?
you're fine. I was just going to say a lot of people have gone to Disneyland or Disney World and know this ride. So they would probably,
So
if they
Python,
really love it, they'd want to get the game.
Rapids of Kilimanjaro.
And they may not be big BGG people or something.
So you can see that there's dangers here. Pride of Lions,
I remember seeing those guys.
African belt. I don't know what that word means.
I don't either. Have to look
Maybe
it up.
it's some kind of herd.
Oh, the bathing
bathing
pool. I love those elephants.
Baboon family.
Cute.
Bull elephants.
Oh.
Uh-oh, see, now I got three danger.
So I have a feeling you shuffle them and then you deal
Oh,
with
of
them
course
as
you
you
do.
get them.
Yeah, I would assume so too. Lost Safari.
Maybe each person
And
gets a
what's
hand or something.
Water bottle. So you got some ones, some threes, some twos. So I wonder if you draw cards. You're supposed to open these, sweeties.
Oh, well, you told me to look at this, hon.
I was pointing to the thing. That's okay. All right, so here are the dice. So you got a 2, 4, so it's a 1 through 4 dice. What's repeated? The 3s are repeated, and the 2s. So the extremes are the 1s and the 4s. And then you have exclamations on 3, so 50% chance to get exclamations. So I wonder if one's a movement die and one's a danger die. Because look, notice you have 3 X's, maybe you roll 3 of these, and then this is your movement die. I'm guessing.
I don't know.
All right, so you have
I had the
boat.
pretty cruise ships. They're thick plastic.
Yeah, why don't you rotate it around and get it closer?
Sorry, my fingers are really dry. They don't look very pretty right now.
You're fine. All right, so that is Jungle Cruise.
Yep, I can't wait to
Unboxing.
play it.
So we will do a playthrough, and maybe I'll do a how to play. We'll see. Let us know what you think if you're looking forward to the playthrough or how to play. Remember, if you subscribe, Julie will be playing Squire, right, honey? Yeah.
Can't wait.
Okay. So,
We missed you guys.
all right. See you next time.
See you later. Bye.
Bye bye.